I've helped collectors buy and sell millions in rare collectibles. The sale prices in this video are all backed by real data from top auction houses like Heritage. I know what makes coins and currency valuable, and today I'll break it down for you. We'll be going over 5 coins you can retire from. Now these are coins that can quite literally change your life. A lot of the time it's a very small detail that you need to look for to see if you have one of these super rare coins. Alright, let's start off with this first coin that sold for $336,000. That is right, guys. You heard me. $336,000 for this one little penny coin. Isn't that just amazing how much a cent coin could actually sell for? And again, this is a genuine sale. This is a paid in full auction sale that happened. And here's why it sold for so much money. So this is a 1943 cent coin. PCGS graded this coin at an AU50. All right, so AU stands for almost uncirculated or about uncirculated. So this coin was out in pocket change. That's what that means. This coin was out there. Anyone could have found this. Nobody knows the exact story on this coin except for the seller who sold the coin. So what makes this penny so rare and valuable? Well, in 1943, the US government needed bronze for ammunition. So what they did was they completely halted all bronze production of penny coins. And instead, what they did was for the 1943 cent coins, they used a zinc-coated steel planchet. Now, planchet just means piece of metal that the coin is struck on. That means that every single 1943 coin that is a wheat cent penny coin like this one should be struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet. Now, if you have one and it's not, there's a very high probability that what you have is a counterfeit coin, or you have a coin that is coated in a metal to make it look like this coin. As you can imagine, there is a high incentive to counterfeit this coin or to make it look like someone has this coin. This is where third-party grading companies like PCGS and NGC come into play. These guys are the experts. They know exactly what they're doing. They know what to look for on a genuine coin like this. So the cool thing is, in 1944, they transitioned back to the bronze planchet like this. So that is the big thing you want to look for. Look for your 1943 coin and see if it is struck on a bronze planchet, because this coin sold for $336,000. All right, so this is actually what we call a Morgan dollar US coin. So yes, the United States made this coin. This is an 1893S $1 coin. PCGS graded this coin at a mint state 63. Now, if you've ever held a Morgan dollar coin, it is a very satisfying thing to do. I just think the coin is a beautiful piece of US history. The cool thing about this coin is it's 90% silver, 10% copper, and it weighs 26.73 grams. So these Morgan dollars, even if you get a very generic basic one, you're at least going to have the value of silver in your coin. This coin is worth tremendously more than most Morgan dollars. In fact, this coin sold for $444,000 the year that I'm recording this video. Here's the thing. These prices could go up or down depending on market fluctuations. So if you're watching this video in 2024 or in 2034, it doesn't really matter. The rarity of these coins is still going to be there. What really matters is where the market goes. Are there still going to be big time collectors in 10 or 20 years from now? I think so. But what makes this coin so rare is that there was just 100,000 of them ever produced, which in the world of coin minting is incredibly low. To put things into perspective, today there are hundreds of millions of coins produced for a specific year and a specific mint mark. So like I said, this is a San Francisco minted coin. You can tell by the S mint mark on the back bottom center of the coin. So if you ever come across an 1893 S $1 Morgan coin, you just hit the mother lode, because this PCGS graded mint state 63 coin sold for $444,000. All right, here we go. $456,000 for this 1975 10-cent Roosevelt dime. So PCGS graded this coin at a proof 68. So in the world of grading, this coin got graded only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70. One thing that you're going to notice right off the cuff is the coloration. So this has a very royal purple and very sunrise orange coloration going on. Just a beautifully toned coin. Now, really quick, toning happens based upon how you store your coin. So if you store your coin in a piece of plastic or in some cloth, and depending on the air, that is going to react with the metals in the coin, causing a discolored look. Now, this toning is very, very beautiful. Sometimes toning can be really not attractive, but it really comes down to the eye of the beholder when it comes to the eye appeal. Some people may look at this coin and think it's beautiful, while others may think it is very unattractive. That doesn't really matter. What matters is the value of $456,000. So let's get to it. Why did it sell for this much money? It's very simple. This coin is a proof coin. So proof coins have a shiny, lustrous backdrop or feel to the coin, they're produced in a different manner than what we're used to seeing in a normally mint-stated issued coin, you know, the type of coins that you see in pocket change. This coin was never meant to go out into circulation, and proof coins are made one by mint employees to make sure the quality is really there. Now, today, the US Mint produces proof coins and sells them to the public. This coin was also sold to the public, but on accident, this coin did not get a San Francisco S mint mark. This coin should have an S mint mark, but it does not. Now, please pay close attention to this. There are plenty of 1975 no mint marked coins out there that are not proof coins. The big key here is it needs to be 1975 and it must be a proof coin that is missing an S mint mark. If it is not a proof coin, then you have a normally issued Philadelphia minted coin. The proof coins are minted in San Francisco, the non-proof coins are minted in Philadelphia. It's tricky because Philadelphia issued coins do not have a mint mark, so they look very, very similar. So to keep it very short, look for a 1975 that is a proof coin that is missing an S mint mark. And if you have one, you have a very, very rare coin. Once again, this one sold for nearly $500,000. Alright, so this is a United States coin from 1876. It's a 20-cent coin. And honestly, I would talk more about coins like this. However, the majority of people on YouTube simply don't enjoy these sort of coins as much, so I don't talk about them as much. But this beautiful 1876 coin is a 20-cent piece, and it's from the Carson City Mint. Okay, so a very rare mint. You can see on the back bottom center, you'll see a C and a C standing for Carson City. You can see the beautiful eagle on the back there, and the allegorical figure Liberty on the front with her shield. Very pretty piece of history. This one from 1876 with the CC mint mark is incredibly rare. It sold for $690,000. $4,320,000 for this United States $20 gold coin from 1907. PCGS created this coin at a proof 69, and it is one of the most sought after and artistically significant coins in US history. The coin was designed by Augustus St. Gaudens and backed by President Roosevelt, and it represents the pinnacle of numismatic beauty and craftsmanship. This particular coin was from a very prestigious collection called the Harry Bass Collection. The coin's nearly perfect. There's only 20 examples of this coin known, and 5 of them reside in the Smithsonian Institution. This coin is highly sought after, very beautiful, and it is pretty much the peak of coin collecting. Once again, $4,320,000 for this $20 gold coin. Look, I've said it before, I've got nothing to sell you guys, and I just want you to know as much as you can know about coins and paper money. That's why we made a free coin and currency ebook that goes over coin and currency handling, grading, values, and how to maximize your collection. That is a great starting point. Make sure you pick up that free coin and currency ebook down below, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.